What's up, YouTube? I'm getting some more parts for my 2005 Ford F-150 stereo build, and I went with JS alternators. All right, so this is their 320 amp. They have some recommendations in here too. Get a half-inch shorter belt. Do the big three upgrades, which I plan on doing, and then recommendations for batteries based on the wattage you're going to be burning. So even though I have a 12K amplifier, I'm probably not going to use all the power. So I'm going to go with a limitless battery and a good battery, and that should probably cover it. I really don't know. I'm not going crazy with two alternators, but hell yeah, these guys are banging some bass. So a 320 amp alternator from these guys on eBay. $389, which I thought was a great price. I didn't go with any powder coating. I didn't go with a wiring kit. I didn't go with any upgrades. But this is actually much nicer than a lot of parts that I get from part stores. Remember, I do own an auto shop and I do a lot of repair work. And to be honest with you, they do a quality job if this is complete reman. I mean, this is better than the stuff that I see that comes from our part stores, to be honest with you. I'm excited to get it installed. It came in one box, bubble wrap, another box with more bubble wrap to ensure that there's no damage. And like I said, I do auto repair work every day, and it's constant. We got crushed cases, broken connectors, all kinds of shit we deal with the parts people saying, throw it on the shelf, drop the pallet, throw it on their car, drop it on the floor, and then when the installer gets to it, it's all fucked up. But yeah, so if you're looking for a high-powered alternator, these guys, in my opinion, had the best price out there for that I was looking at. I'll get it installed and hooked up, and I'll show you this stuff next week. I plan on getting busy. Thanks for watching.